All right, folks, this is Amtrak 748 Capital Corridor Train, the final Capital Corridor Train going to Sacramento from San Jose Deardown Station. A cat car leading this one up. It could be 8307 Mount Baldy Ball on this one. Let's see what cat car it is. Those bright lights.
This is train 748, local train on the far track.
8311 Mount Panama City. All right, folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. All right, this is 748 to Sacramento. 8311 Mount Panama. Bryce's cat car. Charger 2105. Hey, there go that train, folks. Going to Sacramento. Why you say San Jose on your title down there? You're not going to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. That train just jetted out of the platform, out of the station really fast. I mean, 748 ain't wasting no time to go to Sacramento. He's not being behind schedule. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good weekend. Happy Saturday. Bye-bye.